Hi there, it's Adam here at Fordington's, and today I'm showing you around this stunning 64 plate Suzuki Splash 5.0 SZ3. Finished in black, metallic with the Suzuki wheel trims. It's in absolutely amazing condition for its age, inside and out. And what's also great about it is how low its mileage is. Just turned it over 32,000. It's a really popular vehicle that Suzuki did. Got a big following of people who love them. Just sits that little bit higher up on the road, so you've got a great seating position. Aircon in there. Ideal little run around car. Great miles per gallon, low cost to insure, and just a really nice drive. It's absolutely spot on. If you'd like to see it for yourself, don't hesitate to get in touch. Thank you very much for watching. I look forward to hearing from you soon. Bye now.